Hi, my name is Aria and I just thought that I would start a YouTube channel. So here I am, and I thought it would be appropriate that my first video would be to unbox this ring light kit that I got from Kmart, and just in case anyone was interested, show you guys what it's all about. Okay, so inside the box there were these three separate packages. One was the ring light itself. I have to see what that one is. And then the third one is the tripod over there. So within this black bag were the screws that hold that together, the phone stand and this knob thing, as well as this, which is I think a remote to take a selfie. Also this knob thing that looks like a clamp, this phone holder for like a normal tripod, or if you want to screw this on without the ring light, you can use this and just use your phone that way. And this reflective thing. I think you hang this up.
I just want to add here that the ring light lit up in 3 different tones ranging from cool to warm, and its brightness could be adjusted at 10 different levels.